Hi, my name is Dottie Davis, and I will be making banana muffins. And the recipe for banana muffins is doubled today. So it will be 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 1/3 cups of sugar, 4 eggs, 4 tablespoons of milk, 2/3 cups of shortening, 3.5 cups of flour, and 2 cups of mashed bananas. M, mathematics, or math for short. We doubled the recipe, so you gotta times everything by 2, all the fractions and stuff. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. So this is what you do with any of the bananas nobody ate. You peel the bananas. And then you take a fork and you just mash it up. For the tea technology, you got to know how to use a beater and an oven. So now we're going to take the shortening and the sugar and we're going to mix them together. Now that we've got that done, we're going to be putting the eggs in and mixing. And every once in a while when you're done mixing, you're going to want to push the stuff on the edges down so you can get it all mixed in there good. Now we're going to add the bananas. Now for the baking powder and baking soda, and then you mix. So for the science part, you need to know how the chemicals mix so that, like, if you were to put too much baking powder or baking soda, then it would puff up way too much and it would taste really funny. But if you were to put too little, then it wouldn't puff up at all and it would be really flat. Now milk. And now you're going to put a cup of flour at a time in and mix it until all of your flour is in. Now that we've mixed our batter, we're going to spray the pan so that all of them get it. Now we put our batter in the pan, and I like to grab 1 spoon, and then you push it off with the other one, the back of the other one, and I do about 2 scoops till it's pretty much full, but not all the way full to the top, till it's a little below. And now that you've got your pan all filled, you're going to put them in the oven for 20 minutes at 350 degrees. To check the muffins to see if they're done, you're going to open up the oven, pull them out, and then you're going to stick a toothpick in it all the way to the bottom, and then you're going to pull it out. If there's stuff on it, it needs more time, but these ones don't, so now you're going to take it out and go put it on the hot pad. With our plastic spoon, we're going to quickly go around it so that we pull it out, and you're going to put it on the cooling rack. E, engineering. You gotta put it together and mix it all up, and then you gotta cook it, and basically all of it's engineering. And enjoy. And the way you can apply this to the real world is you gotta know how to cook and stuff for when you get to college and when you get older, and you don't just want to throw away old bananas, you gotta use them. And a special thanks to my sister Malin for helping me film, and thank you to my sister Rochelle for helping me edit the video.